download Apache Kafka. So let me search. We went here and then we will download this version 3.1.0. This is a Scala version, a Scala 2.13. So when you download Kafka, you will see Scala 2.13 as the Scala version, and 3.1.0 it's the Kafka version. Okay, so you can download this even for Windows or Mac, anything you can download this. Okay, the same download will help for both Mac and Windows. Okay, so it got downloaded. I'll go in the download folder. Okay, it's in progress. Fine, so we downloaded it here. After that we exported it. Now I will copy it. Sorry, 1 minute. I will copy it and move it to this folder, document. So you can open it and you will see here, you will see the bin folder. So when we'll run on the Mac, what we'll do is we'll run these files. Let's say that I want to start a Kafka producer, so I will run this file. For Kafka consumer, I'll run this file, and let's say I want to see the log dump, so I can run this. And for starting Kafka, we'll run this Kafka server start.sh. okay, and to create a Kafka topic, we'll create this, run this command Kafka topic. Okay, the same way there should be some command for zookeeper as well. Let me search. Zookeeper. So you can see here zookeeper server start.sh. So as we discussed in our first tutorial, the first video, that first we need to start zookeeper. So we start zookeeper from here, and then we'll start the Kafka server. So if you are in Mac, you can run these files, but if you are in Windows, you have to go inside the Win folder and the Windows, and then you can try running these files inside the window folder. You can try running Kafka start.bat should be there. Kafka server start.bat. okay, so whatever sh file you see here, there should be a bat file inside this Windows. Okay, so if you are on Windows machine, you can run this Windows command, Windows files. Okay, fine. So now what I will do is this is the sh file that you need to run. So if you want to see the configurations, okay, so what are the default configurations, so you can go inside this config file and you can see the configurations. Like this is the server.property file, the default configuration and the default port will be mentioned here. You can open it and see. So when we start the Kafka server, we will use this server.property file as a default server, and when we'll start the zookeeper server, we'll use this zookeeper.property. So you can understand that we need to use bin folder and the config folder. Bin folder for .sh file and the config folder for .property file. Okay. So using these two, we'll start the servers. Okay, we'll go to the terminal.